Hey there, everyone. It's a pleasure to speak with such a talented group of future innovators from the biomedical and biotechnology faculties. My name is Vera, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to an exciting opportunity, the Biomedical Engineering Internship Program at Genotronics. At Genotronics, we're more than just a company. We're a team dedicated to innovation and excellence in healthcare. Based right here in Mumbai, we provide cutting-edge medical solutions that make a real difference in patient lives. We offer a fast-paced, hands-on environment where your contributions are valued and your learning is prioritized. What will you actually be doing? You'll dive deep into our products, assisting our biomedical team with technical specifications and attending training. You'll support sales by preparing materials and tracking leads. You'll observe and participate in customer interactions, from product demos to troubleshooting. Plus, you'll conduct market research to identify trends and help maintain crucial documentation. Who are we looking for? We're seeking motivated individuals currently pursuing or recently graduated from biomedical engineering, biotechnology, life sciences, or even business administration. A strong interest in the medical device industry is key. We value excellent communication, strong interpersonal skills, proficiency in computers, and a positive, detail-oriented attitude. We want quick learners who can work independently and as part of a team. Now, what will you gain? You'll get invaluable practical experience in a dynamic industry, medical devices and their applications. You'll master the sales process and customer relationship management. You'll network with industry experts and significantly enhance vital skills like communication and teamwork. Upon successful completion, you'll receive an internship completion certificate, issued as per all required norms, a valuable addition to your portfolio. And here's the exciting part. Exceptional candidates are eligible for absorption into a full-time position at Genotronics. For those who excel, we're even committed to providing placements with other leading organizations in the industry. Our program begins August 1st, 2025, and you can choose between a 3-month or 6-month duration. We can even tailor programs to meet specific college requirements. To apply, send your resume and cover letter to office@genotronics.in or genotronics@igmail.com by July 30th, 2025. This internship is your chance to gain real-world experience, build a strong network, and potentially secure a long-term career in a thriving industry. Thank you for your time and attention. We look forward to welcoming you to the Genotronics family.